lovely to see you.
We love having fun and adventures together. Come on, let's go. This is Candy Cat.
La la la. I love playing with all my toys.
Time to clean up, Candy.
But I'm still playing. Ouch! My tail! There are so many toys.
I know. I'll make it a game.
Roar! The toy monster is hungry!
In goes Teddy Bear.
In go the books! Nom nom nom! Nom nom nom!
Well done, Candy Cat.
The toy monster ate everything!